everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Today I'm just going to be cleaning around the house. I have not been home for the last couple of weeks, so I'm going to be doing a quick deep clean. So join me as I start my eco cleaning journey. Tag along with me. So I'm going to start off in the bedroom. I'm going to make up my bed. It starts a great tone for the day, so it's a great tone for the day. To make your bed first, and then I'm going to spray my washing up liquid on a microfiber cloth just to remove all the dust that has been collecting over there for the last couple of days. Maybe, so let me say a week if I'm honest, because I've not been home. So I just like to use that eco. I don't have to use too many products, and yeah. And then that's one part of the room done. I'm now going to refill some of my stuff in the bathroom. And whilst we're still in the bathroom, I'm also going to give the sink a quick clean, because it's one of the areas that I have not even been cleaning. So I'm going to be using my EvoBlue sanitary cleaner. It's my favorite. Yeah, and again, microfiber cloth. I have a microfiber cloth for each part of the house. So a green one for the bathroom. And then I'm also going to sanitize my door. So a paper towel with sprayed disinfectant onto there, including the toilet. So I'm going to do that as well. So I've not been home for a couple of days, and I've just been coming in, dropping stuff, coming in and dropping stuff. So this is the current state of my house. So please join me as I clean. So we are in the kitchen. I'm going to start off by emptying the dishwasher, because I know I've just been putting things inside the dishwasher but not putting them out. So we're just going to tidy up, basically empty the dishwasher first, so I know what needs to be cleaned, what has not been cleaned. Do I have enough cutlery? Yeah, it just kind of has how my brain works. I always start by putting things where they stay. That's the top done, and the bottom. So as I clean, I'll probably find more plates that I'm going to have to put inside the dishwasher. I will wash everything once everything is tidy. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section below if you are a on the spot cleaner, or you like to do a big clean once every week. One thing that I absolutely love is washing my own dishes, not dishes, cutlery. I love cleaning my cutlery. I love washing it. Sometimes when I've got the time, I will definitely hand wash it, but if I don't, I'll just put everything inside the dishwasher. But there's just something so soothing about just having the dishwashing liquid and the spoons. I don't know, I know I'm really strange, but I really enjoy doing it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you find washing dishes as a soothing, therapeutic thing. Whilst you're here, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing, and I really appreciate every single person that watches my videos. I know you take time out of your busy day to just watch. It really means a lot to me, and I just wanted to say I really appreciate it. I am actually on my eco cleaning journey, so this channel is going to be all about eco cleaning, and I'm going to be testing out eco-friendly products. I'm going to be showing you where I buy them, and I'm going to be testing them out for you, so you don't have to do it. You just go and purchase. I know, because I'm really struggling sometimes to find the right products, but I'm going to be sharing my journey with you. So I hope this channel is very helpful, and also is motivating, as I'm going to be sharing clean with me videos that can hopefully motivate you to do certain tasks. So again, I'm using my products from Pure Evo. The company is on Instagram. If you look on my previous videos, I will link them below, but they are on Instagram. You can find them from there. So I love the kitchen cleaner. It's absolutely my favorite. When I first started my eco-friendly journey, that's the company that sent me some of their products. So Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already for more cleaning products. And yeah, just I'm really excited to be on this journey where I try out eco-friendly products, because I have a toddler and I want to have, you know, a safe environment for him where I don't have to use such toxic and products that are so, you know, like the fumes. So yeah, I'm gonna blab on a bit, so I'm gonna stop now. But I really do hope you are enjoying this video. Now that part of the kitchen is done. I have officially cleaned. Everything looks better. I'm just going to tidy up and put things away where they stay. But I love having a clear surface. Makes thinking and functioning a little bit better. So yeah, I really hope this video was very motivating and encouraging. And if you like more of these videos, please let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm gonna basically just clean my floors. I actually found I've been meaning to actually change my mop, but I just replace it. So I purchased a new one yesterday, and I'm now just, you know, replacing it. And I'm gonna mop my floors, which I have not done in quite a long time. So disinfectant. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna sweep up first, and then I'm gonna use disinfectant and washing up liquid again, because I just find that it's a lot safer on my floors. So the disinfectant that I use is Pine. Just use the Pine disinfectant, and I put washing up liquid, and I think it works best for my house. So that's it for me, everyone. I really hope this video was exciting and, you know, motivating. It's basically more motivating. I make these videos to hopefully motivate you to clean and clear your space at home. But I'll see you guys on the next one. But if you can't wait until then, please check out any of my videos over there. Until then, have a good day. Bye.